Hi, we would like to introduce you to John. Perhaps, like you, he is considering ways to leverage and extend his organization's existing enterprise content management IT systems within a tight budget. He's considered the options. Either he continues to run his systems unintegrated, or hires a consulting firm to build custom portals with integration, or buys one or more solutions from the big enterprise software companies that cost millions of dollars and require months, if not years, of analysis, configuration, and training. Or he can try and find a solution that is not as expensive and leverages the existing infrastructure. He checks out large companies to see how their portal solutions work, but finds that the problems with portal solutions such as SAP or SharePoint are they are a generic product that needs customization and integration. They need to be in a highly secured and validated environment. They can be a hassle with registration for vendors and maintaining user IDs and passwords for users. Other companies' internal systems can be confusing to external vendors. Also, these are big, expensive integration projects, including maintenance cost and customizations. Well, that's not so great. But what about the last option? Will it work as well? This is where we come to John. Let us show you what we can do for you. Qtility's Integrated Gateway is an IT solution that allows for easy integration of diverse technologies, each of which has unique code and functions, into one graceful interface through the use of a highly sophisticated content integration engine. This creates efficiency and productivity in many processes that could, in the past, be considered difficult and complicated and highly expensive to create. Let's show an example of how a large company can use the product in their procurement process. In order to see what could be improved, let's see what the scenario is at the current time. Purchasing agents create an RFP, or an RFI, and an RFQ in the enterprise resource planning software such as SAP or PeopleSoft. The agents will then download or email the documents to a web administrator for the procurement population. Vendors will submit responses by paper submission or email attachments. Issues with this method include virus checking on firewalls slows sending, attachments burden email systems, no controls on documents, easy to misplace versions, file size restrictions prevent delivery, time-consuming and error-prone. Scenario 2. Purchasing agent creates procurement documents in an enterprise resource planning system. Vendors request access and login registration to a portal, log in, and download files. Agents manually download submissions from portal to an enterprise content management system, such as Documentum or OpenText. Problems with such solutions can include administrative overhead of managing users who need to log in to submit responses, and deleting them when the project is done, which is extremely tedious from an internal administrative perspective, and slow and frustrating for vendors, preventing timely responses for RFP submissions. There is no integration between the ERP and the ECM systems and the portal. Also, ERP portal projects are very expensive and involve a long-term deployment of 12 months or more. Alternatively, a customized portal is less expensive, but it involves a medium deployment time of 6 to 8 months, needs integration to archive and to non-expose repository, and requires expensive administration and support overhead, needs customization to simplify the process and add functions. Now let us finally see how Qtility Integrated Gateway can solve the issue simply and quickly. Agents create procurement documents in the ERP system, and they are stored in the CMS using an integration. Agents log in and create a project in the Gateway interface, inviting vendors to join the project. Vendors receive an email and click on the link to join the project. Agents can then update individual documents to the project as required. Vendors can download or upload documents via the user interface. Vendors can also send a submission to a specific email address with an attachment document, and it will be automatically placed in the correct folder in the project. Agents can archive submissions documents back to the Documentum. The benefit of this system are no customizations, cached content secured in DMZ, uploaded content can be archived, links are sent, no attachments. Vendors can download, upload files. Email submissions are automatically uploaded. To summarize, Maintenance and software updates are remote with online and phone support. Fixes don't require in-house tech staff. Companies use their existing infrastructure, including SAP, PeopleSoft, Documentum, OpenText, or SharePoint. No customization, only install and configuration. Implementation of the gateway usually takes less than only about a month, and with great cost savings compared to other solutions. So, John, what do you think? I think we know what John will choose. Let us put a smile on your face by going with Qtility as your procurement gateway solution.